See how efficient you are taking the bikes down. She's got a fanny pack, she's got her bling bling. You stop off the trail, okay? Because if you got they can go past you. Don't stop in the trail. Don't stop. There, finally she made it. Look at her, man. She's a pro. Woohoo! Keep going, keep going. You can do it. Yes, you can. Come on. It's a little hill. All right, don't do it. Walk down.
Walk it then. Walk it down. It's too steep. Not to walk.
There you go. That was easy.